children, are you all fine? All of you, look at the person who is sitting near to you, your neighbor, and say hi. Very good. Many of you have sent your notes to me. I have checked it. All are doing very nicely and writing properly. Very good. Are you remembering what we have studied in the last class? We have studied about what? Okay, we have studied about the sun. Sun is a huge star. It is made up of hot gases. Sun is at the center of the solar system. Then what else we have studied? Yes, we get heat and light of the sun. Plants prepare food using the sunlight. All that we have studied. I had given you a puzzle. Did you get the answer? What was the question? I am bright. I am hot. I live in the sky. Don't look straight at me. Who am I? What was the answer? You all got it, I think. Yes. Answer is sun. Now, today we have to study about the moon. In this class, we have to study about the moon. Have you seen moon? Yes, it's very beautiful. Moon also like Earth, round in shape. From the Earth, when we see, moon is as large as the sun. But moon is so small. Moon looks big because it is near to the Earth. Moon is the closest neighbor of the Earth. Sun is so far. Moon is so near to us. So moon and sun look same from the Earth. Moon does not have its own light. Moon is lit up by the sun. We studied that Earth goes around the sun. Like that, moon goes around the Earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. There is no life in the moon. Do you know why? There is only little water. That also like ice and in rocks. There is no life in the moon. People are not able to live. There is no air also. Now, let us read the textbook. Will you join with me? After reading the textbook, we will see more about the moon. Then all of you open your textbook, page number 221. Let us read the textbook.
The moon. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor. It is also round in shape like the Earth. When seen from the Earth, the moon appears to be as large as the sun. However, it is very much smaller than the sun. It only seems to be as large because it is much closer to the Earth than the sun is. The moon shines at night, but it does not have light of its own. Like the Earth, the moon is lit up by the sun. We are able to see the side of the moon that gets sunlight. Just as the Earth goes around the sun, the moon goes around the Earth. It is the natural satellite of the Earth. A satellite is an object that goes around a planet. The moon has very little water. This water is found only as ice and in rocks. The moon also has no air, so there is no life on the moon. The moon. You must have seen the moon shine brightly at night. It is also round in shape like the earth. The moon is smaller than the earth. Sometimes the moon and the sun seem to be of the same size, but this is because the moon is nearer to us and sun is very far away. In reality, the moon is much smaller than the sun. The moon goes round the earth. It takes the moon 28 days to go round the earth once. Like the earth, the moon has no light of its own. So how does it shine? Well, the moon shines when light from the sun falls on it. One half of the moon, which is facing the sun, is lighted. The rest of the moon is in darkness.
Children, now let us write the answers. Are you ready with your notebook? Then let us write the answers. Open your notebook. Continue writing after leaving a line. Okay?
Answer in one or two words. First question. Which is the Earth's closest neighbor? Answer, the moon. Second question. Which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Answer, the moon. Answer the questions. First question. How does the moon shine even though it does not have light of its own? Answer. We are able to see the side of the moon that gets sunlight. This is how we see the moon shining. Second question. Why is there no life on the moon? Answer. The moon has very little water and has no air. So, there is no life on the moon.